Welcome to our informational video on how to remove a partner from a business partnership. This process can be complex and nuanced, making it crucial to fully understand the steps involved. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Let's start with some statistics. According to a 2022 study, 20% of business partnerships end within the first 12 months, and 50% don't last more than 5 years. You might not anticipate a partnership dissolution when starting a business, but it's a reality for many. That's why it's essential to plan for these eventualities to safeguard your business and minimize potential friction. The first step in removing a partner from a partnership is to refer to your partnership agreement. This document usually outlines the procedure for removing a partner. According to a 2023 survey, only 72% of business partnerships had a legally documented partnership agreement. If your partnership is part of this statistic, your path forward may be straightforward. However, if you're part of the 28% without an agreement, the process could become complicated. If no agreement is in place, or if the agreement doesn't stipulate how to remove a partner, you'll need to rely on state law. Depending on the jurisdiction, the removal of a partner may lead to automatic dissolution of the partnership, requiring the remaining partners to form a new business entity. Legal counsel is highly recommended during this phase. After understanding the process defined by your partnership agreement or state law, the next step is to propose the removal to the partner. Ideally, this is done in a formal meeting with all partners present. The communication should be clear, respectful, and concise. Upon agreement to the partner's removal, it's crucial to amend the partnership agreement or draft a new one if necessary. This should reflect the change in the business structure, responsibilities, and profit sharing. Consider having a legal professional review this to ensure compliance with all applicable laws. Lastly, update your business's records and registrations to reflect the partner's removal. This includes local and state business records, tax records, and bank accounts. Don't forget to notify your clients, suppliers, and creditors about the change. Removing a partner from a partnership isn't a walk in the park, but with the right information and approach, it can be done without significant disruption to your business. If you need more information about how the process works, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of removing a partner? Is there one that seems complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.